In my last video, I discussed about unity in diversity, chapter 8 of standard 6 SS. Today is the second lecture of this chapter number 8. Standard 6 SS, chapter 8, lecture 2, unity in diversity. In my first video, I said about diversity in religion, diversity in a language also I explain. My dear student, in your textbook, page number 40 and page number 41, two things are there. Okay, here you will find page number 40. Okay, different states are there and their information we have to write down. And page number 41, you will get some information regarding some religions. Got it? So when you get the book, remember and feel the things. Okay, got it? I have already explained these things earlier in my first video. Okay, today I am going to revise the same thing. Okay, so we have different diversities. Okay, we have different religions, different languages. Okay, I already explained. Now when we consider about food, there is a change in food. When we go in South India, we will find the things made of rice. So most of the things are made in South India, the things are made from rice. So we can consider the main food is rice. While when we go upper side, wheat is used more. Okay, so we have diversity. Take the example, the people who are staying near the sea coast, their main food is rice and fish. Okay, so got it? It is not the part of our study, but still we have to remember. When we consider about Gujarat, we know our Gujarati thali is very popular in India. If you go in any part, any state, and any part of India, in any state, if you order Gujarati thali, you will get everything: dal, bhat, roti, saag, pickle, okay, papad, chach, many buttermilk, that is called. Everything you will get. Okay, so diversity in food. In last video, I said about religion. Which are the main religions followed in India? Hinduism. Hindu religion is the most. After Hinduism, correct. Islamism means Muslim. After that, Christianity, Sikh, then Jain, then Buddhism, Parsi. So many religions are there. I am writing here. Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Jain, Buddha, Christian, Parsi. Got it? Similarly here, when we consider about food, when we consider about rice, especially the people who are staying in South India, they eat rice more. Then when we go in north side, wheat is considered. My dear student, here I would like to explain. About the state Punjab. Okay, Punjab. In Punjab, the people they follow Sikhism. But this Punjab, when we consider about agriculture, Punjab is called the wheat bowl of India. It is a wheat bowl. go down. Okay, means in Punjab they can grow wheat more. Okay, because in Punjab we have 5 rivers. The word Panch plus Ab. Panch means 5 and Ab means water. Panch Ab means water. Okay, so in Punjab we have many rivers, and because of that wheat is grown more. That's why it is called go down of wheat. Okay, so here when we visit in Punjab, the lassi of Punjab is also very famous. Lassi of Punjab. Okay, so here are there. Next what is dance. When we consider about dance. Okay, though different dance are there in Gujarat, Ras and Garba. Ras and Garba is well known in not only in India, in the whole world. Then Ghumar dance of Rajasthan, Bhangra of Punjab. When we go in a Maharashtra side, okay, Lavani, okay. Then when we go in a other states, okay, when we go in a Bengal or Uttar Pradesh or Tamil Nadu, so different dances are there. They are also well known. So here food is different, religion is different, dances are. Here I will write down Ras Garba, then Ghumar dance, okay, then Lavani of Maharashtra. Many dances are there. Got it? So here we have diversity. But my dear student, though everything is different, still we are one, and we can consider I am an Indian. We are an Indian. This much information is there. One more thing I would like to suggest here, that in order to bind things, okay, everything, we have accepted one thing, our national language, which is our national language. Hindi is considered as our national language. Okay, national anthem, national. Jana Gana Mana. Okay, Jana Gana Mana. National song, Vande Mataram. Okay, our national flag, national flag, tricolor flag, tricolor flag. Three colors are there, na? Okay, which are the three colors? On top you will find saffron, in center white, and down you will find last one is green. Okay, got it? And what they signify, that you know. Okay, the color saffron says about bravery, white color says about peace, and green color says about the prosperity. Okay, so national flag. Then national fruit, that is called mango. Mango is considered as a national fruit. Okay, national tree, banyan tree. Okay, so many things are there. Our national game, that is called hockey, that is called hockey. Okay, then if you have a list, you can write our national bird, national bird, that is peacock. We have national animal. Okay, so these things are there. So here we have taken, do you know what is our national emblem seal? Normally when we get the any national document, you will find they put one seal, and in that seal you will find three lines are seen, three lines are shown in that seal. My dear student, the picture of that three lines, that is called considered as our national emblem. So got it? So here, which is our national language? National language Hindi is our national language. National anthem Jana Gana Mana. My dear student, here I would like to suggest that when national anthem is sung, when national anthem is sung, it is our duty to stand in order to give respect our national anthem. Okay, my dear student, and at that time during national anthem is sung, we should not shake our body. Okay, we have to stand straight. Got it? And second thing, if you are not able to stand, if you are physically problem, okay, handicap, so you can raise your hand, right hand. You can sit, but you can raise your right hand. My dear student, and here one thing I would like to say. It is said, it is believed that in the world, our national anthem is considered is the one of the best anthem. Okay, then national song Vande Mataram. Okay, normally we sing during the flag hoisting and flag unfurling time, 15 August and 26 January. Okay, national flag, tricolor flag, three colors are there, and in between you will find wheel. One wheel is there, and it has a 24 spokes are there. Okay, it says about 24 hours of the day. National fruit mango, national tree banyan tree, national game hockey, national bird peacock. Okay, then national animal tiger. Okay, so many things are there that we are learning in this. Though everything is different, still we are united, we are one. Next time we will learn more. Thank you.